Hello children, welcome to the art and craft activity class. Today we are going to do sellotape printing. It is a printing on cloth. You can see so many samples here. This is all made by sellotape. In this we make geometrical designs because they come better. Now let's start our sellotape printing. I will tell you what things are required for sellotape printing. First we need a fabric on which we will do printing, and then we need sellotape. After that we need brushes, we need scissors, we need colors and waste cloth, water container. First we will make our design on the fabric by using only lines, because we will fix sellotape comfortably if we will draw lines. If we will draw circles, we will not able to do it very nicely. So now I am drawing the lines on the fabric. After that, I have kept sellotape cut it on my table. I have cut the sellotape and fix it on my table, because while making it we can make it comfortably. Now we will fix the sellotape on the fabric we are making. Now we are fixing the sellotape on the fabric. Yes children, just see, we have fixed all the sellotape on our fabric. Now we will open our colors for the fabric. In this we use 2-3 colors to make it bright and attractive. Yes children, remember this. You have to use bold brushes for it, because when we paint with bold brushes, the effects come very nice. In this art, you need not to be very perfect in painting. You just have to splash the colors. Only splash the colors on the fabric wherever you want. Just do it like this. Don't feel bad about it. Just splash the colors according to your choice. But don't use color too much. Use little color and give nice splashes. Now we will use second color. Now we are going to use second color. First I have taken orange. Now I am taking green, because they go very good with each other. We can use little water but not too much of water. Too much of water spoils the fabric and the effects doesn't come out very well. Just splash the colors on the fabric. Just splash it out, and try to color the white portion soon. The part which is not colored, put color there only. And at the last I am using to fill the gaps of the fabric with the lightest color yellow, because this will give a good finish we want. First we will use dark colors. After that, in the last we can use light color, because light color can mix anywhere very smoothly and nicely. It will not give us any problem in mixing with each other. And we will try to cover the fabric with the lightest color with the lightest color we will like to cover the fabric, and we are covering the fabric. Just see, it is completed. Now we have to wait a little to let it get dry. After it get dry, we have to remove all the sellotape from the fabric. That we will do it slowly when it get dry, because if we do it in a hurry, it can get spoiled. You can make children many good things by sellotape printing in your house. You can make sofa bags, you can print the bed sheets, you can make pillow covers, you can make cushions. And it is done on the thick cloth. It comes good on the thick cloth because color come out very good on the thick cloth. So, just see the children, our fabric is ready. In a minute, it's very easy children. Try to do it and please send share the copy of this, the sample of this with us soon, and don't dry it in a sunlight. Dry it always in a